What's good guys, it's your boy Phone Tech over here with another video. In this one guys, I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone XS Max since it's September 21st. So as always, stay tuned. Right guys, so here you have the box. So it's pretty big actually and heavy. I'm just going to compare it to an iPhone X box from last year's. So as you can see, there's some difference in size. So this box is actually pretty huge. Now guys, just going to take off this. Here you have the box. I'm just gonna take that off slowly. And just like last year, you get a paperwork at the very beginning designed by Apple in California. And here you have the gigantic phone. Just gonna bring an iPhone X for comparison here. Oops. So as you can see guys, definitely the phone feels huge. Gonna power that on. As you can see guys, just like always, sadly, just a standard charger, no fast charging included, even though the phone costs a fortune. And here, just earphones, the USB cable for charging. Though guys, something weird here, in last year's, we had the dongle, which I'm not really seeing here. Okay, the phone is on. Just gonna guys show you here that we got a dongle last year. It's kind of weird. Because that's on the iPhone X's box, that's the, last year's model, and we had a dongle actually. Kind of weird here that there's no dongle. Anyway, let's jump to the phone. Take that off. Feels good. Wow guys, the phone is actually huge. Gonna go guys through the phone, set it up and show it to you. Anyway guys, while the phone just floats here, I'll show you what we've got here. So just some languages, bonjour, hello, hello, and you've got the SIM ejecting tool and the Apple stickers. That's everything we have in the box. Sadly guys, nothing like fast charging or anything. Even there's no dongle. I'm kind of shocked because it doesn't make sense. I thought at the beginning it's like a smarter packaging, but nope, there's no dongle. So that's a problem here. It doesn't make sense though. That's weird. There's no dongle. As you can see guys, the phone's done here. Just gonna skip through. Gonna set Face ID. Gonna put a passcode. Very secure one. Even Apple knows that it's secure. It's gonna go for just set up a new phone. She jumps through. And guys, just want to point out here that finally this option is available, standard versus zoomed. So on the iPhone X, this option didn't exist. We only had standard. And just here showing you, finally, welcome to the iPhone. So that's the iPhone X. So I have to say that the phone is actually huge. That's one thing. And of course guys, I'm going to be comparing it to all the other devices soon. Alright guys, there we have it. That was the unboxing video. Of course guys, I'm going to be comparing the iPhone XS Max to a couple of devices, of course. So stay tuned guys for more content. Peace out.